Hey, what's up everybody? To my channel again. So, one of my favorite scenes in all of the prequels was when Palpatine said execute Order 66. And he did it on like a transmitter, and that's what I'm going to show you how to build today. Okay, so here are all the pieces you're going to need. Okay, so these are all in like the screen right now. Okay, so let's start. We're going to get this piece from the Ironmonger. Same thing, same piece. It's a little bit different. So click that on, make sure it's aligned perfectly. There we go. Then get this big circle plate. Then make sure the hole is aligned with the brick so you can just see through the hole. Okay, so then you're going to get this square piece. It's a little bit smaller, but it still fits on the edge right here. So then make sure that fits on there like that. Then put this right here, little square, little small like 4x4 circle plate to go on there. It looks like a little space. Okay, so then get this. It looks exactly like this one around it, but it just fits around the 4x4 one like that. Okay. Or you could use the same piece 2 times, but I prefer to use this to give it a little bit more texture. Okay, so then you're going to use this piece right here, but make it 4. So put it around here like this. Just like that. So just keep like moving it around. I don't know, then until you have like a wheel looking piece. Okay, so then you're going to get this little curved piece. Then put that on around like this. Then there we go, almost done, and there we go. This is your little transmitter when Palpatine said execute Order 66. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I make another video. Peace.